General liability is the foundation of every startup's insurance program. It's the first insurance most companies get, and it's the minimum protection you need to do business in the United States. Hi, I'm Ore, insurance advisor at Vouch, and I'm here to give you the 101 on general liability for technology companies. General liability covers your business for claims related to property damage and physical injuries occurring either at your business or by your product. Here's one example. You throw a launch party with key partners and early customers. One of your guests missed that weird step out of the kitchen and they fall. General liability can cover medical expenses and associated claims. Now let's talk BOP. Most insurance companies, including Vouch, bundle general liability with business property and call it business owner's policy or commercial package policy. Why? Because general liability protects your customers and their property, and business property protects your stuff. It's like peanut butter and jelly, better together. So with business property, if your startup's office or equipment is ever damaged or stolen, you're covered. We pride ourselves on paying property claims under $10,000 in 24 hours or less. No receipts or police report required because we trust you. So when should you get general liability? We recommend you buy it at company's formation. Why? Because general liability will be required by most of the partners that you do business with. It's commonly called out in enterprise sales contracts and lease agreements. Even co-working space like our partner WeWork require it. The good news is that general liability at Vouch is affordable. We know that most tech companies have few accidents, and we price the coverage accordingly. How much coverage should you buy? The limit is the maximum amount the coverage will pay in claims, and you pay more for a higher limit. Most tech companies start with a limit of $1 million because that's a common limit specified in standard contracts. To see your recommended limit, simply click Get Coverage Recommendation and tell us about your startup. You can also buy add-ons to your general liability coverage. There's hired and non-owned auto coverage, which is important for businesses that require employees to drive as a part of their work. And employee benefits protection can cover claims associated with mistakes in the administration of your benefits program. General liability is only for injury and damage you cause to others. For instance, it doesn't cover your own employees if they get hurt. For that, you'll need workers' compensation. General liability is just a start, so browse our other coverages to learn how they can protect you from more complex business risks. If something goes wrong and you need to make a claim, simply contact Vouch and we'll get you through it. We don't just pay the bill at the end, we manage the process and save you a lot of time. If you have any questions, get in touch with an insurance advisor. We'd love to learn about your startup and talk through your insurance needs.